So that's where I love Lucy is. No matter. I have her right where I want her.
Arlie, watch out.
What the?
What happened? Oh frick, Miss Smith. Save.
Save yourself.
No. Please, dear Lord.
Oh poor little baby, what's wrong? Did da big mean Tony kill your precious family and your best friend's mummy? Well, too bad, punk. I really meant to kill you too. When I killed that bitch Bonnie.
Your dead mother. Oh my god, it's Arlene.
And she got the door. Wait! Stop! I'm sorry! Please don't beat me to death with the deadbolt.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have put it there in the first place. This a deadbolt. You are dead, man.